Do you know that the first condition to getting rich is to adopt a rich mindset? Yes, riches come to those who have a clear mindset to achieve financial freedom. Well, that is confusing, right? Becoming rich is not just about getting a new job or moving to another city or investing in tech and cryptocurrency. But becoming wealthy requires more than a change in financial habits. It also requires a change in mindset. If your mind is not geared toward achieving success, there is little you can do. However, when you program your mind to function and operate like that of a billionaire, you are one step closer to achieving financial success. So you might be thinking about how to adopt a rich mindset. Well, lucky for you, I have come up with the answer. Number 1, you must become goal-oriented. Let's face it, the chances of you achieving anything are very low if you do not set realistic goals. When you learn to set attainable goals, you are giving yourself a comprehensive plan on how to achieve financial success. Well, just take a look at most of the millionaires and wealthy individuals in our world. Did any of them suddenly get rich overnight? Of course not. Becoming wealthy means that you have to become goal-oriented, but it is not just about having goals. You also have to take active steps toward achieving those goals. Number 2, learn to invest your money. If you spend every single dollar you earn without the thought of investing ever crossing your mind, you need a complete mindset overhaul. Millionaires understand that you do not make money by spending lavishly. Instead, you are more likely to make money when you understand its true value and, of course, the importance of investing. The thing is, investing is one of the most effective ways to make your money work for you. So, if you have got an extra $500 in your bank account, what would be your next line of action? Would you buy yourself a new iPad, or would you invest this money in stocks and bonds? To become wealthy, you have to adopt a mindset that champions frugality over reckless spending. When you do this, you are more likely to notice positive financial changes. Number 3, always think big. Would Tesla have disrupted the automobile industry if Elon Musk did not dream big? Of course not. Billionaires have a habit of thinking as big as possible. They always want to achieve that seemingly impossible task. By thinking big, you can challenge convention and actually do the impossible. You need to challenge your mind and body to break free from the trap of mediocrity and endlessly strive for excellence. If you have got a business idea that caters to a tiny portion of the community, why not start making plans to extend your services to every other community in the world? I bet your idea would not appear tiny to you now. Well, always remember that cheesy but true saying, if you shoot for the moon, you land among the stars. And that, my friend, is a step in the right direction. Number 4, believe in your abilities. Here is an interesting factor that separates the rich and the wealthy from every other person. They have an unshaken belief in their abilities. Also, when you believe in something, it is easy to make others see why they should also believe. Come to think of it, where would Microsoft be today if the first set of employees did not see a reason to believe in the vision of Bill Gates? However, Gates not only believed in the power of his idea, but also believed that he had the ability to turn his idea into a billion-dollar industry. If Bill Gates had not completely trusted his own abilities, then Microsoft might have just closed up at the first sign of struggle. Number 5, forget about the past. You should stop stressing about the past because there is really nothing you can do to change those events. No matter what happened in the past, you are supposed to evolve, learn from it, and not allow it to define your current or future situation. The past is nothing but an opportunity to grow and an opportunity to reflect upon your past decisions and avoid making the same errors. The past does not define who you are, the present does. So focus on that, which leads me to the next point. Number 6, focus on the future. The billionaires of today's world are not defined by their past. Instead, it is their obsession with what the future holds that makes them unique. The rich understand that the future belongs to individuals who start thinking about it today. Do not fall into the trap that the future will sort itself out, because it definitely will, but you won't be an important part of that plan. Instead, plan a future that reflects well around your finances. If you want your future to reflect financial growth and wealth, then right now is the time to invest or launch that business you have always wanted to start. There is no better time to get started than right now. There is no better time to start working on your goals than right now. So get started. It does not matter if you are not 100% ready. Well, is anyone ever fully ready? I do not think so. This might not be easier to hear, but to adopt a rich mindset, you need to get out of your comfort zone. Your comfort zone is where you feel safe and totally in control, and where there really is not any need to change or grow. But you should know that a lack of change suggests that you could be up against a really tough time in the long run. You start to see no need for improvement. Unfortunately, when self-improvement gets out of the picture, you are more likely to become financially and personally stagnant. Instead of getting too comfortable in your comfort zone, start doing things that challenge your skills and abilities. Not only will this help you see your past limitations, but it will also help to put your strengths and weaknesses into perspective. Plus, you will see how to best manage them. Eventually, your confidence will fly through the roof because getting out of your comfort zone will allow you to achieve things that you never thought possible. To be honest, that feels damn good. Number 9, always believe you can. This one is quite simple, but undoubtedly one of the most effective ways to build a rich mindset. Believing in yourself teaches you to see yourself as an individual who can achieve whatever you set your mind to. Do you want to start a company that solves the problems of millions and millions of people around the world? Do you believe that you can? Well, if you do, you are more likely to start that company. Do not think of all those many reasons why that company would not be successful. Instead, think of all the reasons that it will be. Number 10, visualize your success. If you cannot visualize yourself being successful, there is a slight chance you do not believe in that success story. It is important that you see yourself achieving that success, as it will help you to put everything in a better perspective. Your success means a better and happier life, a protected future, and a fair shot at early retirement. But simply thinking about these things will not push you out of your comfort zone. However, by visualizing, you are creating a version of yourself in your mind, a version that you would like to become in a few years. If this image of yourself resonates with you deeply, then everything you consciously and unconsciously do will be geared toward achieving that success. Number 11, adopt a frugal lifestyle. You cannot build wealth by wastefully spending money. What differentiates wealthy people from other people is their understanding and handling of money. Well, let me ask you this question. What will be the first thing you do if you made $1 million? Buy a new car or start making plans for a new vacation? Or would you put more than half of this amount toward a business opportunity? Think of what the wealthy would do in this situation. Of course, the rich would spend it on investing in a profitable venture. Well, my friend, the whole idea is that frugality will make you rich. So, that was all from today's video. I hope you liked it. Well, then see you soon in my next video. Thank you.